been going to this camp for about 3 years, and I love that every time I come back, it's not the same thing over and over. Of course, we're still focusing on phosphorus, but we also do experiments, we have new people to talk to. There's always new graduate students to talk to in the camp, and I get to learn a little bit more about different aspects of STEM.
The Explorers Camp is a program that was developed through the STEPS Center. For any student that is environmentally conscious, STEPS Explorers is an amazing place for you to come where you can learn more about the environment, more about what goes into sustaining the place that we call home, Earth.
I like environmental science, so when I saw this program, I was actually very happy. It was 10th to 12th grade. It was research-based too. I like research, and I also wanted to do something science-based, and this program felt like everything I really needed.
This year, we're doing something a little different. We have tasked the explorers to conceptualize some device or sensor that is able to detect phosphorus in some environment.
On the last day, we will be presenting on our products, Shark Tank style, show what it can do, what our plans for it is, and be able to reflect all the knowledge that we've accumulated for the past few days.
It's really cool that what we're doing here could help the planet. I didn't know much about nanoscience before this, but I see how it's so important and how phosphorus sustainability is so important. I think it's cool that I'm a part of it now.
I think it's just nice to be able to learn something new and get more insight on what's around us and what you can go into in the future.
This has been a great week. I got to meet a lot of great people, and I'm super happy that I got to do something like this week. I hope more people come here, and I'd love to come next year too.